Question number 3. 3 upon x minus 4x upon 3 raised to 4. So here 4 is your n, this is x, and this value is considered as a. So same way we'll solve our sum, that is n is 4. So starting with the 4c 0, 3 upon x raised to 4 and 4x upon 3 raised to 0. Then second, now here because it is minus sign, so alternatively it will be plus minus plus minus, how you do in formula. So minus 4c1 3 upon x raised to 3, 4x upon 3 raised to 1, plus 4c2 3 upon x raised to 2 and 4x upon 3 raised to 2, minus 4c3 3 upon x raised to 3 and 4x upon 3 raised to, here it will be 1 and here it will be 3, plus 4c4 3 upon x raised to 0 and 4x upon 3 raised to 4. Here it will be in decreasing order 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, and here it will be in increasing order 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now from Pascal's triangle we can get the value of this when n is 4. So the respective values here it will be 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. So same we will write it down here, 1, 4, 6, 4 and 1, minus plus minus and plus. Now three upon x raised to 4. So 3 raised to 4, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, that will come 81 upon x raised to 4 into 4x upon 3 raised to 0, it will be 1. Here 3 raised to 3, so 27, and x raised to 3 into 4x upon 3, so 4x upon 3, then 3 square, that is 9, upon x square into 4x, so here it will be 16x square upon 9, then 3 upon x raised to 1, so it will be 3 upon x and into here 4x raised to 3, so 4, 16 and 64, so 64x3 upon 27, and last one here 3 upon x raised to 0, it is 1 into 4x into 4, 4x multiplied 4 times, 4x into 4x into 4x into 4x, so that will give you 256, or directly 64 into 4, that also you can do. So say 256x raised to 4 upon 81. Now whatever things that will cut here in first term, nothing will get cut, so our answer will be 81 upon x raised to 4, then minus, now here this 3 and 27, so that will get cut, 9 and 9 into 16, so that will give you 144 upon numerator, here it is x and here it is x cubed, so that will get cut, so we'll get x square in denominator, plus third term here 6, 9 upon x square and 16x, so 9 and 9 will get cancelled and x square will get cancelled, so here we'll have 96 minus, now here 3 and 9 and this x, so here x square So 64 into 4, that will give you 256 x square upon 9, and plus here same 256 x raised to 4 upon 81. Now question number 4. So before starting with question number 4, this concept you should know, that is root x into root x is equal to x, or we can say that is root x whole square is equal to x. Okay, so now let us solve this. So here n is 6, x and a value. So starting with 6, that is 6c0 root x upon 3 whole raised to 6 and 3 upon root x whole raised to 0. Now as always, this will go in decreasing order and this one will go in increasing order. So plus sign is there, so everywhere it will come plus. 6c1 root x upon 3 raised to 5 and 3 upon root x raised to 1 plus 6c2 root x upon 3 raised to 4, 3 upon root x raised to 2 plus 6c3 root x upon 3 raised to 5, 3 upon root x raised to 6, 5, 4, 3 and here also 3 plus 6c4 root x upon 3 raised to 2 and 3 upon root x raised to 4 plus 6c5 root x upon 3 raised to 2 and 3 upon root x raised to 1 and raised to 5 and plus 6c6 root x upon 3 raised to 0 and 3 upon root x raised to 6. Now when we will solve this, as per Pascal's triangle, first of all when n is equal to 6, so what are your respective values here or coefficients for this? That is 1, 6, 15, 20, 15, 6, 1. So first of all we will write down that is 1, 6, 15, 20, 15, 6, 1. Now root x raised to 6 upon 3. So root x raised to 3, here it will be x upon 3, that is root x raised to 6. Now 2 times root x will multiply, so we will get 1x. So 6 times if we will multiply, so we will get 3x. So that is x cube, and 3 into 3 into 3 6 times, so we will get 729 into 3 upon root x whole raised to 0, that is equal to 1. Then second, root x up raised to 5 upon 3 raised to 5, and here it is 3 raised to 1 upon root x. So root x and root x 1 it will get cancelled, so 5 minus 4 it will be root x raised to 4, so that will give you x square upon, or we can also solve it by writing here and then doing cut. So here 3 raised 5 times it will be 243, and here 3. Then root x raised to 4, that is x square upon 81 into 3 square, that is 9, and root x square is x. Then root x raised to 3, and here also root x raised to 3. So both of this will get cancelled. Then root x raised to 2, so that will give you x upon 3 square, that is 9, into 3 raised to 4, so 3 multiplied 4 times, that is 81, upon root x raised to 4, so that will give you x square. Then root x raised to 1 upon 3. Now this root x and this root x will get cancelled. So here I am writing 1 upon 3 into 3 raised to 5. So that will give you 243. And here, if here you are writing root x, then you will can show calculation, or directly if you are writing, then here root x raised to 5 minus 1. So here it will come root x raised to 4. Or if you want to show the calculation, then you can do it like this: root x and root x raised to 5. So this 5 and 1 root x will get cancelled. So here it will be root x raised to 4. So x square it will come over here. And here 1 into 3 raised to 6. So that will give you 729. And root x raised to 6. So that is x cube. And I will write down our answer. Here nothing will get cut. So x cube upon 729 plus, now here 3 and 243 will get cancelled, and then again here it will get cancelled with 8. So my answer here it will come 2x square upon 27 plus, now here 9 and 9 will get cancelled, 9 and 81. Then this x and x will get cancelled. Then 3, 9 and 3 5s are 15. So here it will come 5x upon, in denominator it will come 3 plus 20. Now root x cube will get cancelled, 27 will get cancelled. So here only 20 will come. Then 15. Now here 1x and 1x will get cancelled, so only x will remain, and 9 is 81. So 15 into 9, that will give you 135 upon x plus 6. Now this root x will get cancelled, so here it will be x square, root x raised to 4, that is equal to x square, and here 3 into 2, so 2 into 2 43, so that will give you 486 upon x square plus here 729 upon x cube. Next question, a upon 2 minus b upon 3 whole raised to 5. So this is your n, x and a value. Now minus sign is there, so alternatively it will be plus minus, that way it will be there. So we'll start with 5c0 a upon 2 raised to 5 and b upon 3 raised to 0 minus 5c1 a upon 2 raised to 4 and b upon 3 raised to 1 plus 5c2 a upon 2 raised to 3 and b upon 3 raised to 2 minus 5c3 a upon 2 raised to 2 b upon 3 raised to 3 plus 5c4 a upon 2 raised to 1 and b upon 3 raised to 4 minus 5c5 a upon 2 0 and b upon 3 5. Now we'll solve. So when n is equal to 5, so as per your Pascal's triangle, what will be the respective values or coefficients of this? That is 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. So that we'll write down first. 1, 5, sign whatever it is there, same sign it will come. 10, 10, 5, 1. Now 1 into a raised to 5 and 2 power 5. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is multiplied 5 times. So that will come 32 into power is 0. So here it will come 1. Then a raised to 4 upon 2 raised to 4. So 16 into b raised to 1 upon 3 raised to 1 into a cube upon 2 raised to 3. So it will come 8 into b square, 3 square is 9 into a square upon 2 square, that is 4 into b cube upon 327. Now a upon 2 into b raised to 4 upon 3 raised to 4, that is 81. A upon 2 raised to 0 is 1 and b raised to 5 upon 243. So that is equal to, now first term, that is a raised to 5 upon 32 minus, now here 5, nothing will get cut. So 5 a raised to 4b upon 16 into 3, 48 plus next term. Now here what will get cut? 2 4s are 8 and 2 5s are 10, right? Or directly first we can solve and then at last we can cut. So here it will be 10 a cube b square. So 10 a cube b square upon 8 into 9, that is 72 minus 10 a square b cube upon 27 into 4, that is 108 plus 5 a b raised to 4 upon 2 into 81, 162 minus b raised to 5 upon 243. Okay.